I'm here to talk about the importance of hand washing. Education about hand washing helps to spread awareness of its importance. With the fall season coming around, there's a variety of illnesses such as respiratory tract infections and the flu. One of the easiest ways to prevent yourself from getting sick is by washing your hands frequently and correctly. According to the CDC, hand washing can prevent about 30% of diarrhea-related illnesses and about 20% of respiratory tract infections, such as colds and pneumonia. Human and animal feces provide a good medium for bacterial growth. These germs can get onto hands after people use the toilet, or there are other less obvious ways that these bacteria can get onto your hands, such as by changing diapers or handling raw fruits and vegetables, because those have the potential for imperceptible amounts of animal bacteria to be on them. When these germs get onto your hands and they're not washed off, they can be spread to other objects such as handrails and doorknobs, and when people touch these, they get spread from person to person. People then touch their eyes, nose, and mouth, which provides an entry for bacteria into your system. Proper hand washing removes these bacteria and helps to prevent the spread of infection. To correctly wash your hands, follow these steps. First, you're going to wet your hands with warm water. It's important to use warm water because this kills the bacteria. Second, you want to apply like a dime-sized amount of soap onto your hands and lather. You should wash your hands for at least 20 seconds, and as you're washing your hands, rub your palms together and make sure you get in between your fingers. Rinse well with your hands pointing towards the drain so the water washes down the drain and not back onto your arms, and then use a clean towel to dry your hands. Use the towel to turn off the faucet so you don't touch the dirty faucet. And if you aren't in a position to wash your hands, you can use hand sanitizer as an alternative to kill these bacteria. One of the best ways is to get a little small hand sanitizer with a clip on it, and you can put it on your purse or your backpack. It's always handy, you have quick access to it, and it's a reminder to make sure you wash your hands. One of the easiest ways to incorporate frequent hand washing into your routine is when you encounter a surface that has the potential for bacteria growth. Be sure to use the hand sanitizer or rinse your hands with soap and water. In conclusion, it's everyone's job to stay accountable for washing their hands. You should wash your hands after you go to the restroom or come in contact with a surface, such as a diaper or raw fruits and vegetables. This helps to prevent the spread of bacterial diseases. It's also important to wash your hands before you eat. That way you don't introduce this bacteria into your system. These are minor yet effective ways that you could decrease your chances of getting sick this fall season.